Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this kind of content, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience with Upgrade. Upgrade, https://www.upgrade.com/personal-loans, offers personal loans that can be used for various purposes, including debt consolidation, home improvements, and major purchases. They advertise a streamlined online application process that allows borrowers to check their rates without impacting their credit scores. Potential borrowers can explore loan amounts ranging from $1,000 to $50,000, with varying repayment terms and interest rates depending on individual creditworthiness and loan specifics. While Upgrade emphasizes its quick and easy application, it's crucial to remember that loan approval and final terms are subject to a full credit check and verification. They highlight features like fixed interest rates, predictable monthly payments, and the potential to pre-qualify quickly, aiming to provide a clear and transparent borrowing experience. Be sure to carefully review all terms and conditions before accepting a loan offer. Upgrade also emphasizes responsible lending practices, encouraging borrowers to borrow only what they need and can comfortably repay. Understanding the April, associated fees, and the full repayment schedule is crucial for responsible borrowing. Remember to compare Upgrade's offerings with other lenders to ensure you're getting the best possible terms for your financial situation. It's also wise to consider consulting with a financial advisor to discuss your borrowing needs and determine the best course of action for your individual circumstances. Furthermore, researching customer reviews and experiences with Upgrade can offer valuable insights into the company's service and loan management process. Pay close attention to details like customer support responsiveness, the clarity of loan documentation, and the overall borrowing experience. By doing your homework and comparing options, you can make informed decisions about whether an Upgrade personal loan is the right choice for you. Keep in mind that individual loan terms and interest rates can vary significantly, so thorough research is essential. Finally, consider building a strong financial foundation by practicing responsible spending habits and maintaining a good credit score. This will position you favorably for securing the best loan terms possible, should you decide to borrow in the future.